parents with kids who are on the spectrum.
Look at your girl.
I'm not the best person to teach you this, honey. I'm just telling you what I'm about to do.
Hey, I'm nasty. You know me, but still be feeling you, baby.
She's like, I don't be wanting to call people and tell people. She's like, nobody knew that I was not okay. Like, nobody knows. She looked like y'all. My Amazon package just got here. I got a stop shroom. Ooh. Some Aztec Indian clay and some Epsom salt. We are going to start taking detox baths. If you know, you know. A lot of people who rave about them are parents with kids who are on the spectrum, who have autism and who are nonverbal and whatnot, and they've seen like improvement with their kids' speech, with their cognitive, you know, thinking, brain thinking, and all like this and that. This plus baking soda, it detoxifies your body of metals, which can affect you in more ways than one, not just kids on the spectrum and whatnot, just anxiety. Like if you look up what metals do to our body, you'll get a better understanding. I'm not the best person to teach you this, honey. I'm just telling you what I'm about to do. Tonight Zuri's gonna take her first one, and it also helps with if you have eczema, and my baby has eczema, and I love to keep just I never want her to have a flare up, which she doesn't. She never really does, so I'm glad. Oh goodness, I'm tired. We've used this before. We've used it for like detoxifying hair. We've used it on Tania hair, Zuri hair, and my mom hair. But it also says in here, do not use a metal. It says use non-metal bowl and utensils to stir. This makes sure well and smooth, because it has some type of, it has a certain product in here that if you use metal, it cancels it out. So I got this little stop shroom to cover our stopper in the tub, so when I do run the bath water and stuff, it covers it and it doesn't, you know, cancel out this. But I've heard great things about these detoxifying baths, you know. If you one who like to do the natural ways, I give you my feedback. But you can just get on everywhere, TikTok, YouTube. I've been hearing a lot of great things about it, so that's what I want to do. Zuri and I have been chilling. We have not been like on social media, haven't been on the game, phone. For the next 3 days, it's really about distancing. I can't even say it. That's because of JP. Anyways, we are taking a break for the next 3 days. You guys seen I made a juice earlier. I only made 2. Like, we're gonna drink, like, probably like take a shot each day. That's gonna help. I want to do any and everything that's gonna improve her brain cognitive and cognitivity and minds. And I just want to be ready for 4th grade. But we're taking a break for the next 3 days. Be one with God. I'm not going to tell y'all too much about it, because when you do these fasts, you really ain't even supposed to announce it, let alone tell people about it. By the time y'all see this, it'd have been well after 3 days. Anywho, that's what today vibe is. So we're about to do the puzzle that I had got a while ago. I finally went and got a board so we can like glue it on there and then, you know, be when we're finished. So we're just gonna relax and chill.
Does this count?
Yep. Whatever we did today, I'm just gonna leave it on there, put it on the floor, and put it under my bed instead of breaking it all the way apart again and having to start all over.
Are you struggling? Oh, wait. Oh, here you go. Okay, there we go. Look at your girl. Have you found one?
Wait.
That proves that I'm better than you.
Because you found the egg.
I found multiple, thank you very much.
I found multiple.
Last time, but this time I found all of these.
You did not find all of those.
Well, they were connected and they were in the box, so. Hey, find your keepers. Whoever ain't touched it. Ow! Thank you. That's crazy. Put on. Do you? I'm not gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13, 14. Looks like crystals. What's that?
Wait, I just said you're gonna feel the clay.
Mm.